Hello everyone! Welcome back to the GeoVision Technical Support YouTube channel. Today we are going to set up and check the master-slave function on GVAIFR. So let's get started. Configure the master GVAIFR. Configure the slave GVAIFR. Enroll face data on GVAIFR. Check face recognition on both master and slave GVAIFR. If you are managing multiple entry points or scaling up your security infrastructure, you don't want to waste time manually uploading and updating face profiles across every single machine. Instead, you can manage everything in one place. With the master-slave feature, we can interconnect up to 11 GVAIFR systems, meaning one master and 10 slaves that all share a single centralized face database managed by the master unit. Any face profile enrolled or modified on the master is immediately accessible by the slave units. Since a single GVAIFR software instance supports up to 8 channels, deploying this master-slave architecture with 10 additional slave systems lets you scale your operation up to 88 face recognition cameras across your entire facility while keeping them completely synchronized. Let's dive right into how to set this up. Configure the master GVAIFR. From the GVAIFR dashboard, go to General Settings. Now Master/Slave Sync. From the Type drop-down, select Master. Then set the master username and password. Then click Apply. This device will now act as the central server for all face data. Configure the slave GVAIFR. From the GVAIFR dashboard, go to General Settings. Now Master/Slave Sync. From the Type drop-down, select Slave. Then enter Master AIFR PC's IP address and also username and password. Click Apply and restart the slave GV-AIFR for the changes to take effect. Enroll face data on GVAIFR. From the master GVAIFR dashboard, go to Face Manager. Now Face Profiles. Now click the plus icon. Enter the name of the person. Add images. New photo. Select the photo you want to set. Select the face. Click Add. Click Apply. This face data will be automatically synced on all slave GVAIFR. Check face recognition on both master and slave GVAIFR. First check Mr. Alex on master AIFR. Now check on slave AIFR. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.